Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought layered bob haircut for you. A layered bob is a bob haircut that's cut into layers of different length. When you add layers to a bob, it creates textured movement and the appearance of more volume. I have found that this is a great bob haircut for women with thin hair. At the same time, if you have thick hair, then it can take out a lot of the weight. Layered and stacked bobs are both characterized by one thing: lots of layers. A stacked bob, however, features angled layers that create a graduated, sharper look. A layered bob is a straight cut with long, short or choppy layers. There are so many ways to style layered bob haircuts. You can wear it sleek, straight, wavy or even curled. If you want your hair to appear to be one length blunt cut, it will take a long time to regrow. It could create more styling time if your layers naturally want to point inwards and you want to straighten them to go down. A layered bob cut will give body and height to your lifeless hair. Layered bob haircuts come with maintenance and styling time. So make sure you are ready to spend some time on your locks. If you are wanting a new hairdo, consider a long razored bob with layers. A bob is a super flattering on all hair type and textures. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thanks for watching.